JTL as an organisation seems to be involved with quite a few initiatives and supporting a lot of causes. I mean, there's a whole raft of lists that you subscribe to, whether it's just being disability confident or modern slavery or diversity initiatives regarding females or the multicultural sort of agenda. And then in addition to that, you've got a lot of collaborations, a lot of partnership work, very much open facing and so forth. Is that a conscious thing? Do you think that's happened because of individuals within the organisation, or where's that sort of drive coming from?
Yeah, Rachel? Absolutely. I mean, you're absolutely right. I mean, JTL, we are, so we're very proud of the fact that, we're a disability confident employer. We're a member of WISE, so Women in Science and Engineering. Obviously, the Multicultural Apprenticeship Alliance is very, very much a key part of JTL, and we've been members of JTL. We've been members of the Alliance effectively since day one.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for that. And also the awards.
The awards as well. I mean, we're patrons, obviously. Julie Asher-Smith, our HR director, is one of the judges. Yeah. And, we're a sponsor for the awards as well.
You're also active on the Festival of Apprenticeship Alliance.
Festival of Apprenticeship. So when we were first approached about that, we said, okay, let's give it a go. let's get involved and see how it would work. Yeah. And for us, it's around, as I said, when we were talking back at the top of the time on this, Saf, one of our objectives is around trying to influence the sector. So this very much does come from it comes from our exec, it comes from our board, in terms of saying what are we looking to do to try and change, but also organisationally it's something we're saying actually this is important for us. I often view it, and when I'm at staff induction, one of the things I say is I see myself as being in a very, very privileged position because I get to sit and talk to new colleagues. I'm getting to sit and talk to new colleagues who are going to go out and support our apprentices. If we talked about the fact that we have around 400 staff in the organisation, we have around 8,000 apprentices we assess. Absolutely. I view that we have 8,400 change agents working in the industry. And for me, that is 8,400 people who are going out and having the conversations around how do we ensure that we're levelling the playing field for people? How do we ensure that people are being treated, in a respectful manner? How do we ensure that, we are challenging historical perceptions about the sector on a day-to-day basis? So I would say that from JTL, it comes from the heart of the organisation. One of our core values is respect. Integrity, professionalism, respect and responsiveness are our core values. And I would say that respect and the dignity that goes with that is something that is absolutely fundamental. I think we're very, very privileged as an organisation. As an organisation, we are supporting and helping develop the next generation in our industry that we support. And in terms of ensuring that it is respectful and diverse, and that we really are doing everything that we realistically can to influence the organisations we work with around doing everything they can to do that. I see that as a real privilege that we get to do that. At the end of the day, I don't employ the apprentices.
No.
We work in an organisation that assesses the apprentices. But what we want to do is have the conversations with their employers around this is how you continue to evolve the sector, and this is how we can make it much more diverse. And, I won't go into the business case behind diversity because you've been doing these podcasts for many times and many people have done that already, Sam.
No, absolutely. Thank you for that, Rachel.
Canny Conversation Podcast Series 5 by Safaraz Ali.